Hey fellas, so I have been asked to show how I Photoshop my skin and eyes and also this little piece of hair because I lost my wig cap, so I'm also going to be turning that black. Um, so when I cosplay at home, I don't paint my neck or my arms. I never paint my arms, I have arm socks, but anyway, I don't paint my neck because that's too much work and also a waste of paint. So I Photoshop it instead. And also, I'm terrified of scleras, so I just Photoshop the eyes as well. So here we go. So first you want to duplicate your layer in case you mess up really badly and want to fix it. So first thing I do, I use the quick selection tool, which I think the default, it says magic wand tool, so you have to right click and yeah. And then I just select my skin and see how it's selecting way too much. You can also fix that in just a second. I also select my mouth region when I do the skin part. Alright, to get rid of the stuff, you just click on the little minus up here and subtract that away. Yeah. Pretty simple. So there we go. My skin and tongue is selected. So now we go over here to the adjustments tab and click on hue and saturation. And I turn the saturation way down and the lightness down a little bit so it matches my paint a bit more. And as you can see here on my fingertips, it's a little bit weird. So what you do for that is you fix the mask. So you take paintbrush, and if you want to add to the mask, you use white, and if you want to subtract from the mask, use black. So like, let's say I don't want this to be gray, so I get rid of that. But I want my fingers to be gray, so just put some mask on it. And if you go over and mess up, then boom, there you go. Fix it back up again. It's great. So, and if you have darker skin, just, probably turn the lightness up more, but, to match your face paint. Just mess with these and until you get the color you want. It's pretty simple. And then I'm going to fix this hair also. So you have to go back to this layer and grab this little slice of hair and turn that saturation down and darken it. And now you can barely even tell that there's like pink hair there. Totally fine. Nothing to see here. Alright. Now I'm going to do the eyes. Sometimes the eyes don't do what I want. Anyway, so you want to up the saturation. As you can see, it already kind of turns my eyes yellow for some reason. Anyways, then you want to go over to blue for some reason, and it makes them a bit more yellow. But that's not really as yellow as I want them to be. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make a new layer above everything. Take the paintbrush, I already have it on yellow, just get that nice troll yellow color, and just color on over it. Now that it really sucks. It looks really bad right now. Don't worry about that. Let me just erase, this is really choppy and bad. But, yeah, don't worry that it looks really unnatural and bad, because what you're going to do is you're going to take that and click on multiply, and also you're going to turn the opacity down. So now you have yellow eyes, and you didn't even need to put scary sclera contact lenses in. I also even remove stray hairs with the spot healing tool. So it looks a bit less messy. And yeah, that's about it. Also, I messed up on my tooth. I got lipstick on it, so. Oh god, I got rid of my tooth. Anyway. Anyway, so that's about it. If anyone's wondering, I use Crayola and Aquacolor in 32B as my face paint. It's really good. I've been using it for, oh my god, like 5 years almost. So, yeah. So that's it. See you on the flippity flop. Bye.